Okay, blindfold on, please. Zzz. Okay, so he's going to be drawing this one blindfolded with all the words up, down, left, and right rotated anti-clockwise 1 time. Okay, let go. Let go. Okay. Ready? Okay. Move left, and then move down. Perfect. Okay, we'll start there. I want you to arc from left to right, but arc it to the left.
To the left?
Yeah.
You mean to the actual left?
To the actual left, yeah.
You can't, not
Sorry,
to the
okay,
actual left.
Okay. Left to right, but arc it to the up.
Like that?
That's a bit big.
Huh? It's a bit big, you didn't specify the size.
It's you know, a small one.
Yeah?
Actually, just leave it. Move right, move right, move right. This is really difficult, actually. Move right.
Yeah. How much?
More right, more right. Okay, stop. Okay, from there, draw straight left. Quite thin, yeah, as thin as you can. Keep going, 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 keep going. And stop. Okay, and then move a tiny bit down. Yeah, stop.
Move or draw?
It doesn't matter. And then draw left. No, draw right. God, this is confusing.
All the way up?
Yeah, all the way up.
Oi! All the way right.
All the way right. Okay, let's stop. And then go left.
Ah, fuck. Go left or move.
Move.
Draw.
Wait. Oh. Just, okay.
There.
Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now arc very small. Oh my god, this is impossible. Okay, arc very small
Yeah.
from right to left towards the up.
Towards the up. Up is.
Right.
Yeah?
Okay, that is right.
But it doesn't look how it's meant to look.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well. Okay. And then go move up. Wow, too much. Okay, slowly move up. Stop. And then move right. And then slightly left. Okay, more right. Stop. Okay, now move up. Now move down. More. Keep going.
You said move up.
Yeah.
So why am I moving left
You
and
too
right?
much. You did too much. Okay, that's fine. And then move left. Stop. Okay, now arc from.
Jeez. What's Noah's Ark or something?
Arc from left to right towards the up.
From left to right towards up.
Towards the down. Sorry, towards the down. Just have mercy on myself. Okay.
Well, how am I meant to know how big it is?
I mean, we're equally not to blame, to be honest. Okay. Okay, so from there.
Yeah.
Move up.
Yeah.
A bit more. Stop. And then draw right.
Draw right.
Yeah. Keep going. It's a very straight line, by the way. Stop. And then draw down. This is not your fault. This is Pardeep's fault. Okay, stop. And then move up, and then right. Keep going, both ways. Okay, stop.
Up and
Then
then
move
right.
move, move left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going a little bit
Wait,
more. Bit more.
left.
Yeah, keep going, that's right. Okay, sorry, yeah, stop. Now draw left.
It's anti-clockwise, isn't it?
Yeah,
That means down.
this is very difficult.
Wait, what? What? Are you doing the one that you showed me?
Yeah, how are we supposed to draw that?
Not like this.
Not like this.
Oh, I
Keep
get,
going.
I get what you're trying to do.
You see what I'm trying to do? Okay, keep going, keep going.
Yeah.
Left, 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 left. Okay, 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 stop. Okay. Now move down. Move down.
Like that. Is that what down is? No, down's this one.
Down.
Isn't it?
Okay, stop. And then move right.
I'm really struggling with these.
More right. Okay. Stop. And then left. No, sorry. Left. Yeah, left. No.
Left.
Bit less. Bit less. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Perfect, perfect, perfect. From there, I want you to give me a mix between left and down.
Left. And down. Wait, so left. Left. And down.
And down.
I've forgotten what left is. Is left down?
Left is down.
Left and down. Down is right.
Wait, so
Right.
move up, move right a bit. Okay, perfect, perfect. And then now give me between
So a diagonal.
left and down.
A diagonal.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. And stop. And then give me a down. Oh, you moved, you moved. Okay, stop, 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 stop.
Is it there?
Yeah, no, down. Right a bit. Sorry. Yeah. No. Left a bit. Yeah, left a bit, left a bit. Don't, just move, please. Just move left.
Move left.
Yeah. And then stop. Move right. Yeah, a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. Stop, 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 stop. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then move up. Draw up, sorry.
Draw up.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect, mate. Keep going, keep going. Okay, we can stop there. I think that'll be alright. And then give me between a right and a down. Maybe like a 45-degree angle. Perfect. Okay, that's fine, that's fine.
There.
And then a move left. Okay, and then move slightly to down.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then draw left. Sorry, draw right. No, sorry, draw left. Draw left. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh god. This is my. Oh, god. Okay. Now give me Jesus wept.
Does it look like anything? Would I be able to guess what it is?
I don't know what it is. Oh god. Okay, let's just try something out of the blue. Hit me with an up. Okay, wait. Move down. Move right a bit.
Move right.
Stop. 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 Move left a bit. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Stop. Okay, now give me like a medium thickness up. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. 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 We can work with this. We can work with this. Okay. Okay. Now move quite a bit right, and then slightly left. Okay. Perfect. and then to the down. A bit more. Okay. Slightly right.
Oh shit.
Right. There, perfect. From there, I want you to draw lots of arcs going from right to up, but also right to down.
Right. To up,
Going both ways. Any way you want.
but also right to down.
So like from that spot, I want you to go do lots of arcs one way and then lots of arcs the other way. Wait, from the same spot.
Oh, like this.
Yeah. Maybe make them arc them longer. Can you arc them, please? Thank you. Perfect. Okay, stop.
Meant to be a palm tree or something.
Damn it.
They look shite.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay,
Shall I
stop there.
undo it?
No, stop there. We can't undo. Move right, slightly. Stop. That was too much.
You said.
I said slightly.
Well, you said slightly after I decided to move at an unslight.
Well, you shouldn't assume
Speed.
these things. Okay, you bot. Okay, then left a bit. Left a bit. Oh, it's jittery a bit. That's not your fault. Now right a bit.
Lagging a bit.
Mm,
Right a bit.
right a bit. Bit more. It's not recognizing your movements, your brush strokes. Okay, fine.
Bit of cheating.
Okay, just draw a dot. Wait, not yet, not there. Right a bit. Left a bit. Okay.
There.
Oh God, it keeps moving. Left a bit more. Okay, and then up a bit.
That shit up.
There. And then right. Left a bit. Stop. Draw one dot. Oh!
Is it out?
Draw one more small dot. Okay. Then move down a bit. Bit more. And then slightly right. Slightly. And then draw another dot, the same thickness. Okay, perfect. Oh
The
gosh.
camera doesn't look like it.
I can see it.
Can you see what I'm trying to capture? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then move left a bit.
Moved left. Okay.
Oh god, this is so bad. Okay, keep going. Okay, stop.
Oh, don't say keep. Okay.
And then move down.
Move down. Yeah.
Okay, and then slightly up. Okay, and then give me a like a mini thick, like a thin line going right. Perfect, stop. Okay, and then go left a bit.
With the pen.
Yeah,
Draw.
just move. Perfect, stop. And then give me maybe a bit more left. Perfect. And then the same thickness to the up. Stop. And then move left. Sorry. Move up. Don't draw. Just move. Stop. Now draw up. Beautiful. That's what I like to see.
Okay.
Okay, maybe we can spice this up a bit. How much time have we got? Oh shit, we got 50 seconds. Okay, you're gonna have to have a look. You have 50 seconds to guess.
Fucking hell! What in God? That's actually sick. Okay.
I had to like.
Someone's being hung.
No.
Oh,
Think out of the blue,
out of the blue.
out of the box.
Oh,
What is that? Who is that?
it's a person.
Yeah, what kind of person?
Pole dancer.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. So close. 10 seconds.
It's a pole dancer.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I don't know.
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Someone from the burlesque.